Hi folks, Anthony from Lloyd's Classic Car Auctions here, and today I'm presenting the 1973 Holden Torana GTR XU1 Targa Tasmania Tribute. Having started life as a Torana S with a 2800 6-cylinder engine in Glacier White with the Chestnut vinyl trim, this was the perfect father-son project. This Torana was rebuilt and raced by Peter and James Brock. The Brocks competed in this Torana in their first trip to Targa Tasmania in 1999. Having retired from full-time racing at the end of '97, Brock now had time for other, different motorsports activities. This Targa Torana project ticked all the boxes, allowing Brock to spend time working with James, stay competitive behind the wheel, and keep connected with his fans and enjoy life while doing it. This special car is going under the hammer on Sunday the 29th of January at 12 p.m. live in our Sydney facility. Don't miss your opportunity. For more information, go to lloydsauctions.com.au or give us a call on 1800 456 588. We'll see you at the auction.